Okay, so this is a quick opportunity for us to do a few more together. So let's start with this one. So first of all, we write it out big. NaCl plus F2 makes NaF plus Cl2. Now I draw my placeholders which go in front of each of the things. Do you see this is NaCl plus F2? That's two different things. Here's NaF plus Cl2, two different things, and nothing in between. I draw my line underneath and I list my elements. I list the elements in the same order on each side because that makes it easier to compare them. Now I count. I've got one Na, one Cl, and two Fs. I got one Na, I've got one F, I got two Cls. Now I check it. Is it balanced? 1, 1, yes. 1, 2, no. I need more Cl on this side. The only way I can do that is change the coefficient, change the number in front. There's my Cl, I need two of them, so I'll have two NaCls. Now I count again. I got two NaCls, that means I've got two Nas and two Cls. If it helps, draw them down here. There's an NaCl. We've got two of them. Draw two of them. Two Nas, two Cls. Okay, now we check it again. Is it balanced? 2, 1. No. We need more Na. Our Nas in our NaF. So we need two of those. So now we've got NaF, NaF. We've got two NaFs. 1, 2. So we got two Nas and two Fs. It's balanced. We're done. Fantastic. Let's do the next one. Okay. First of all, we write it nice and big across the page. Lots of space. The more space you got, the easier it is to see that these are different things. So the placeholders have to go in front of the different things. Now we list our elements. Big S, little n. Remember, elements always start with a big letter. So if there's a little letter, it belongs to that one. And write them in the same order on this side. Now let's count. We got one SN. We got two O's. We got two H's. We got one SN. We got one O. We got two H's. Now we check it. Balanced? Yes. No. We need more oxygen on this side. The only way we can do that, we need more oxygen here. Must put a 2 there. Now we count it again, so just draw it out at the bottom if you like. Now we've got two H2Os. 1, 2. So how many H's do we have? We got 2 times 2. We got 4 H's and 2 O's. So now we check it again. Is it balanced? Yes. Yes. 2, 4. No. We need more H. So we'll put a 2 up there. Now we've got 4 of them. Is it balanced? 1, 1. 2, 2. 4, 4. Yes, it is. Fantastic. Next one. This one gets a little more interesting. You must be ready for something more interesting by now. So we got CH4 plus O2 makes CO2 plus H2O. CH4 is methane, by the way. It's part of natural gas that you burn in your stove. So we list our elements on both sides in the same order. And now we count. We've got 1C, we've got 4 H's, we've got 2 O's. Got 1 C, we've got 2 H's, and here's the interesting bit. See, we got 2 O's there, and we got 1 O there. Now we're going to count all of them together because we're counting everything that's on this side. Everything this side of the line. Okay, 1, 1. 4, 2. Okay, we need 2 H2Os. I'm sorry, I forgot my placeholders, didn't I? So we've got 2 H2Os now. Let's write them out. 1, 2. So we've got 4 H's now. And 2 O's. But remember, we've got 2 O's here too. So we've got 4 O's. 2 of them are here, and 2 of them are here. Now we check it. 1, 1, 4, 4, 2, 4. So we need more O. Okay, 2 times 2 is 4. 1, 1, 4, 4, 4, 4. And we're balanced. We're done. So now we're going to try a polyatomic equation. We've got, let's highlight our polyatomic ions. We've got a nitrite ion here, NO2. First of all, you can see it's polyatomic. It's on your list of polyatomic ions in the back of your book that you'll have in your test. Also, you can see it's polyatomic because you've got 3 elements in the compound. So we'll write it out nice and big. We've got Mn, NO2, 2 plus BeCl2 makes BeNO2, 2 plus MnCl2. Draw a line underneath and list out all our, well, it's not so much elements now, is it? Because we're going to keep that NO2 together. So I guess we're listing our ions, aren't we? And then in the same order on this side. Alright, now we're going to count. Mn, we got 1. NO2, we've got 2 of them. 2 outside the parentheses means 2 of what's in the parentheses. We've got 1 Be, we've got 2 Cl's. On this side we've got 1 Mn, we've got 2 NO2s. 1 Be and 2 Cl's. And again, I forgot my placeholders. So we count 1, 2, 2, 1, 1, 2, 2. And look at that, it's already balanced. Gosh, you can see I don't do these in advance, can't you? Okay, next one. Okay, so we've got a sulfate on each side. And we've got a carbonate on each side. So let's write it out nice and big. Very important to write it out correctly. This is my second take. I just did it and it wasn't balancing, and I eventually noticed that I left this 2, Li2, out, and so it wouldn't balance because it was wrong. So just make sure we got ZnSO4, Li2CO3, ZnCO3, Li2SO4. It's very frustrating otherwise. And it happens very easily. So just check your work. Okay, we count. We got 1 ZN, 1 SO4, 2 lithiums, 1 carbonate. The carbonate, no parentheses, it's just one of them. We got 1 zinc, we got 1 sulfate, 2 lithiums, and 1 carbonate. Wow, and it's balanced again.